This is the only video you will ever need in order to know which cryptocurrency should you buy, sell or hold. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Renson, and in this video I will show you the best strategy to understand what is the best cryptocurrency and how you should invest. By the way, if you are a beginner in cryptocurrency, I recommend you to watch the video I made about beginners. Okay, so if you know, I'm also a beginner in cryptocurrency and it's just been a month since I stepped into the cryptocurrency space, but still I managed to come up with a complete solid strategy to understand how to invest in cryptocurrency. By the way, the advice I'm gonna give you in this video is not technical but rather a mindset strategy, the mindset which you should have when you invest in cryptocurrency. As you have seen, a lot of YouTubers come up in just the past few weeks talking about cryptocurrency, giving you updates on cryptocurrency, and they already have thousands of subscribers. So a particular YouTuber will recommend you to buy a coin, then the other will tell you not to buy a coin. So whom do you actually listen to? To be honest, none of them. The reason is because they are just expressing their opinions on YouTube, and the price of a cryptocurrency has nothing to do with their opinion. The price of a cryptocurrency depends directly on what the next person is willing to pay. That's it. It has no relation with the temperature of your room. It has no relation with Elon Musk. It has no relation with these YouTubers. It even doesn't has any relation with its past performance. If there was a way to predict the price of a cryptocurrency by looking at its past performances and stuff like that, we would already have known which will be the best cryptocurrency and where to invest to. But that's not the case. And also one thing to note, if there was a cryptocurrency which outperforms all the other cryptocurrencies in terms of transaction speed, the block size or whatever, then we would have already use that cryptocurrency and ditch all the other cryptocurrencies. But why doesn't that happen? Why are people involved in all these sorts of different cryptocurrencies? The reason is very simple. It's just because no cryptocurrency is perfect. One cryptocurrency is good in one thing but bad in the other thing, and vice versa. So you may say this is the best cryptocurrency, but then there will be some things where that cryptocurrency is not good at but some other cryptocurrency is good at. So every cryptocurrency has its own pros and cons in its own terms. So the mindset which I want you to have when you invest in cryptocurrency is that you should understand that there is a risk factor. It's a combination of investment and also gambling. But just because it is gambling, I don't mean you should not put your money into it. In life, it's okay to take some risks. I will not recommend you to put all your money into one coin which you trust, but I do recommend you to put some money into it. If you put your money into cryptocurrency today, there is a big chance you 10x your money in the next few years. But if you put your money in the bank, it's just gonna take several decades. And so you should put some of your money in cryptocurrency but not all your money. So the conclusion of this video is that stop looking for logical reasons and listening to YouTubers when you want to invest in cryptocurrency. You may also feel that Elon Musk has a great impact on the cryptocurrency market, but trust me, Elon Musk has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. So the way you should invest in cryptocurrency is to invest in a cryptocurrency, a coin which you really trust and believe in. Because there is no such thing as best coin. As long as you don't put your money into these meme coins which just came out recently, you are fine. Just invest in something which has been there for quite a while and you are good. And if you want to know which coins I invest in Ethereum, Dogecoin, EOS, Win, Dent. By any means, I'm not asking or suggesting you to buy these coins because I have no idea what I'm doing and where I'm investing. I'm just hoping it will do better. When you invest in cryptocurrency by listening to a YouTuber or some celebrity on the internet, you are already in the wrong path. In case you lost all your money, can you blame the YouTuber or the celebrity to refund your money? Of course not. You have already seen that what these YouTubers are talking about has nothing to do with the price of the cryptocurrency. If you look in the price of the past week, it has nothing to do with Elon Musk, it has nothing to do with the YouTubers' opinions. It's just the market. It's the future. Nobody can predict the future. We do not know what will be the best cryptocurrency. So, if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, go with what you believe, not something which a YouTuber or an internet personality is talking about. No one will be responsible when you actually lose your money. Just go with your instinct and your guts. Understand that there is no best cryptocurrency. Invest in whatever you feel is right. If you have watched to this point of video, congratulations, you have mastered how to invest in cryptocurrency. Once again guys, thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe and see you in the next video.